How many calls did you miss last week because you were in a meeting, in the warehouse, or just without hands-free? Every unanswered call is a customer lost to your competition. Today, I'll show you how I built a voice AI receptionist that answers, filters, and schedules appointments, all without me ever touching the phone. The setup I use pairs Vapi for the voice layer, the engine that makes the AI sound human and understand callers in real time, with n8n as the automation brain, connecting that conversation to your calendar, CRM, or database. 2 tools, huge power. Best of all, anyone willing to learn can set this up over a weekend. The first step is configuring your agent inside Vapi. Here, you pick the voice. There are very natural Spanish options from Spain and Latin America. Set the tone and create the base script. I always start with 3 sections: a welcome, business FAQs, and appointment handling. For a dental clinic, for example, the agent greets with the clinic's name, asks the reason for the call, and can answer questions about prices, hours, and availability, all without any team member stepping in. The key is writing the script like a real employee, empathetic, clear, and with well-defined limits on what the AI can and can't handle. Once Vapi captures call details, name, reason, preferred time, it triggers a webhook to n8n. Here's where the real magic happens. In n8n, you build the flow. If the caller wants an appointment, the Google Calendar node checks availability and books it automatically. For complex queries, the flow sends a WhatsApp message to the responsible team member with a call summary. All in seconds. I set this up for a maintenance company in Madrid, and they cut call handling time by 70%. The operator no longer answers routine calls, only cases needing human judgment. That's real productivity. An AI receptionist isn't a set-it-and-forget-it project. The difference between mediocre and excellent is iteration. Vapi stores transcripts of every call. I spend 20 minutes each week reviewing them. What questions did the agent miss? Where did conversations drop off? What objections do customers repeat? Using this data, I update the script, add new answers, and tweak the tone. Within 2 months, a client in real estate went from resolving 40% of calls autonomously to 85%. Not magic, just data and continuous improvement. Treat your AI agent like a new employee who learns every week. To sum up, first, pick one clear use case. Don't try to automate everything at once. Second, set up Vapi with a well-crafted script, like training a new employee. Third, connect n8n to let information flow into your tools. Fourth, iterate weekly using real call transcripts. An AI receptionist doesn't replace your team. It frees them to focus on what really matters. In 2026, the small businesses that win are those automating repetitive tasks and putting human talent where it counts. If you want the n8n flow I use, including the Vapi setup, head over to Madeja Digital. There you'll find this and other practical templates to automate your business without needing an IT team. I'm your host at Madeja Digital, Episode 10. Catch you next week with more tools to grow your small business with technology.